The 4-pack Seed Starter Tray Kit is an essential tool for anyone passionate about gardening, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. This kit includes 4 black seed starter trays, each measuring approximately 15 by 9.4 by 3.9 inches, along with 120 square seedling peat pots, 120 plant labels, and 3 handy garden tools: a small shovel, rake, and spade. The trays are versatile, allowing you to use them alone or insert the peat pots for a more organized planting setup. The seedling peat pots are 2.4 inches square, designed with 4 drainage holes at the bottom to ensure proper soil ventilation and drainage. This helps keep the soil from becoming waterlogged and promotes healthier root development. The plant labels are convenient 2 by 2.8 inches, providing ample space to mark your different seeds and plants. Made from durable PS material, the seed starter trays are sturdy and built to last, while the transparent lids are crafted from strong PET material, offering durability and a clear view of your seedlings' growth. The biodegradable peat pots are not only eco-friendly, but also practical, supporting healthy plant growth by allowing roots to breathe. One of the standout features of this kit is the included mini garden tools. They make it easy to transplant your seedlings into larger pots or an outdoor garden without causing damage. The transparent lids help retain heat and moisture, creating an optimal environment for seed germination and growth. This kit is ideal for starting a variety of herbs, flowers, and vegetables, such as tomatoes, peppers, and potatoes. It's perfect for anyone looking to build their dream garden at home, on a balcony, or a patio. The 4-pack Seed Starter Tray Kit offers convenience, quality, and versatility, making it a top choice for gardeners everywhere.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.